Good morning, class. How are you today?
Good morning,
Hi,
teacher.
teacher.
I'm good, thank you.
Are you well, teacher?
Thank you. So today we're going to have a very interesting class titled Her Favorite Hat. But before starting, I am gonna show you a picture. Please. What I want you to do is to try to infer what do you think about the picture.
Well, in my case, I think maybe she likes a lot of type of hats because I can see that there are several of them into the picture, and also she looks really happy when she tries on one of those.
Okay,
Thank you, Leslie.
and in my case, I think that she's modulating her hat,
Yes.
and I think that she has a lot of hats, and she's maybe using her favorite hat.
Yes, that's right. Thank you, Gabriel and Leslie. So let's continue with the class. Now I am going to share with you a text related to the topic. Okay, I am going to read it first twice. Please listen carefully to me and okay. Okay, the title is Her Favorite Hat. Miss B went to the hat store with her friends last week. After trying different hats at the store, she bought a plain one. When she got home after shopping, she decided to redesign her new hat. Miss B glued flowers on it and added some ribbon around the flowers. Her work turned out to be a very pretty hat, and now she always wears it whenever she goes. Listen again, please. Her favorite hat, Miss B, went to the hat store with her friend last week. After trying different hats at the store, she bought a plain one. When she got home after shopping, she decided to redesign